Today we'll be talking about my Titan attachment pallet fork for my small tractor, Massey Ferguson GC1715. Come on over here, take a look at it. This has been one of the best cost-effective attachments I've bought for this little tractor. It's really easy to clamp on. Come on over and take a look. These just twist on and twist off. Mounts it on there really tight. I'm going to tighten that one down. Tighten this one down. It's all locked in. Look under here. It has an adjustable bar which will keep your pallet forks from shifting right to left. You can tighten this down, torque that down tight here, and this down tight. Load it up. It's rated for 1,500 pound load, which is a lot more than my tractor can lift. But we're going to put this on here and I'll show you a little quick operation of it. So it's great for this. Used it to move small logs around the property also. So I'll show you it. Do a quick lift and dump. Standard operation. See, they don't shift at all. Got it locked down really tight. You can see it can take it anywhere you want on the property. Come on over here. You can get a look underneath on how this clamps on. I've got it locked down really tight and we're shaking the whole tractor. So for 130 bucks on Amazon, this really is a good buy to turn your small or large or medium tractor into a quick pallet attachment anytime you need to. And the other part I didn't do yet, you can put your cut some 2x4s, put in here if you're carrying something really big, so you don't have it roll back in the cab. So that's a quick review of the Titan attachment. You can get them on Amazon about 130 bucks. If you need a pallet fork for your tractor, really good buy.